Hello everyone. So once again we have microeconomics chapter 2 part 1, and this chapter is basically known as central problem of economy. So we have this is the picture diagram you can understand. So if we talk about, so there are some basic problem of central plan economy, that is allocation of resources, efficient use of resources, and economic development and growth. So if we talk about allocation of resources, so again this is distributed in three most important problem, that is what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. If we talk about a origin of economy, so every time these three problem faced by economy, so let's go, we have to discuss. So the problem of allocation of resources is studied under three heads, that is what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. If we talk about what to produce, so this problem involves selection of goods and services to be produced and the quantity to be produced of each selected commodity. Every economy has limited resources and thus cannot produce all the goods. More of one good or services usually mean less of others. You can understand easily that every economy have a limited resources, and in these resources economy have to select which product is beneficial to produce. So second one, how to produce, it is very important, just because of every economy have the second stage problem. You can say there are different types of economy, and in which economy they have a different resources. This problem refers to selection of technique to be used for production of goods and services. A goods can be produced using different technique of production. By technique we mean which particular combination of input to be used. Generally, techniques are classified as labor intensive technique and capital intensive technique. Labor intensive technique is basically following in the mixed economy and socialist economy, and if we talk about capital intensive technique, so that is follow in the uh, capitalist economy. So we can understand here capital intensive technique and labor intensive technique by this short example. You can say, just suppose this is the labor and this is the capital we can say also write the machine. So just suppose 100 labor and one machine, and so this is basically known as labor intensive, just because of labor is more than capital. And if we talk about one labor and 100 of machine, so that technology is known as capital intensive technology, just because here capital is more than labor. So this is the difference. So next problem we have, for whom to produce. So this problem refers to selection of the category of people who will ultimately consume the goods, that is whether the to produce goods for more poor and less rich, or more rich and less poor. Since resources are scarce in every economy, no society can satisfy all the wants of its people. Thus a problem of choice arises. So we have to careful about the production of the goods, just because of we have the limited resources. So in these resources we have to utilize our social welfare. So in this way we have to think about the goods which we have to produce here, and for whom society we have to produce. So now we have the some solution of the these three types of economy. First we have to discuss the capitalist economy. So in capitalist economy, what you produce, the producer will produce those goods which are more in demand and less in supply. Such goods offer a high price and high profit to the producer. You can say that in capitalist economy there is only those goods produced here which is more profitable, And how to produce? The producer will use those input which keep their cost of production as low as possible so that their profit are maximized. And if we talk about for whom to produce, in a free economy the producer will produce goods for those people who can afford to pay the high price. Poorer section of the society are often ignored. It causes the problem of economic divide as noted above. So we have central planned economy and you can say socialist economy. So in a centrally planned economy, decision related to what, how and for whom to produce are taken by the some central authority appointed by the government of the country. All decisions are taken with a view of maximizing social welfare. Unlike the market economy, profit maximization is not the consideration. Those goods and services will be produced which the central authority or the government find as the most useful for the society. We can say in central planned economy only social welfare is the motive. Now solution for the mixed economy. Mixed economy share the merit of both capitalist market economy and socialist central planned economy. Decisions regarding what, how and for whom to produce are taken on the basis of market forces as well as on the basis of social consideration. In certain area of production, producers are free to take their decision with a view of maximizing profit. You can say in mixed economy, central plan economy and socialist economy both have the equal role. There are some investors, some capitalists and as well as some social work here. You can say in mixed economy we have a mixed type of nature. So easily we can understand here by this short example. This is the nature of economy and here we have three types of economy: capitalist, centric plan and mixed economy. If we talk about the capitalist economy, so what to produce in capitalist economy? Capital goods. And what to produce, how to produce in capitalist economy? For capital by capital intensity technique. And for whom to produce in capitalist economy? For the rich society. Numbers of rich society belong to the capitalist economy and developed economy. So next economy, that is centrally planned economy, and this economy is also known as socialist economy. So in this economy, what to produce? That means social goods we have to produce. How to produce? That means by labor intensive technique we have to produce. And for whom to produce? That means for poor society we have to produce, that is social goods. Numbers of school we have operated in mixed economy for the social work, just because of population is belong to the majority population belong to the BPS. So in mixed economy we have the mixed nature, that is capital as well as social goods we have to produce. And how to produce? That means capital intensive techniques and labor intensive technique both are used here. So for whom to produce? That is for both we have to produce, that is rich society as well as poor society. So this is all about today. In next lecture we will discuss some more topic. Till then, thank you.